How to sell USDT on OKX. Hi guys, welcome back. In this episode I'm gonna walk you through the steps on how you can sell USDT on OKX. So if you want to sell your cryptos or asset on OKX, all you have to do is just launch to your application first of all and make sure that your account is verified. Now if your account is not verified, you won't be able to do any sort of activity on OKX. Now then, to begin with, go ahead and tap on the trade icon located right at the bottom right in center, and that's basically going to take you to the trading center page. So over here, first of all, you need to make sure to select the sell button, and here you need to go ahead and enter in the information, and accordingly you need to go ahead and enter in the asset that you wish to transfer and the exact amount you want to sell and all that, and make sure that you've already linked your bank account so that the amount will be deposited into your provided source. So then you have to confirm it all by going through it and entering the passcode in order to confirm the transaction, and that's how you can sell USDT on OKX. So in this way you can sell USDT on OKX. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.